Alright, we're back. Now this week we think we have a good hunting star.
The temperature's cooled off a lot.
Yeah.
So, it's kind of dry on water, but we know where the creek is. Huh. This looks kind of neat. Just a big old empty circle. Just a tree.
Let's go this way.
Go this way, okay.
I have a feeling we're close. All signs are pointing to a yes. Heck yes, we're close.
And there's a couple of empty spots on the way.
I think this will be the last episode.
Now we might make one more.
But this seriously might be
A beautiful environment around here, though. You
Yes,
just
but it,
take a while to look, and it's really nice.
okay, let's keep going.
Okay, we're hearing four-wheelers, so I think we're pretty close to civilization.
We've got to be super close. This might be the last episode. I think it will be, hopefully. Look at this, look at this, look at this.
Look at this. Trails, and they're clear.
Grain farm. And, woo!
Civilization! Okay. We are at a house, but it is not ours. But at least we know we're here.
Let's go this.
A motorcycle.
Yes, let's go this trail.
And quads.
Let's go this trail.
God, we're close.
So close on taste it. Oh my God, another house.
Another.
Another house, another life.
You know, back from the house, back from the headquarters, or the club, or house, whatever you want to call it, there looks a field similar to this. I think if we follow it back to the left, we might be able to get to the house.
Great.
And I'm running low on water. We're both thirsty.
We won't need it. Look.
Civilization.
Well. We made it. Now. We're going to make some cheese. Some lemonade.
Okay, we're signing off.
This is the LoveX Game Master and his guide. We are signing off.
And my voice probably sounds very gay.